everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with another quick and easy kit. So everybody likes to change their door decorations with the seasons, so we've been showing you a lot of great things that you can change periodically through the summer and the holidays. So these are some quick and easy kits. This is our Grapevine Star. This is really cute to celebrate, especially that 4th of July weekend. And with this, we are going to make a really cute accent bow. And you have options. You can attach it down here if you'd like, or we could always attach it up here. So, quick and easy. We have our stem. And again, we're just going to trim off the bottom of the stem, like always. Put a little glue on that tip. Let that sit so that can set up. And then we are going to make our beautiful bow. So we're going to start out with this fun stripe ribbon. Leave our tail up. Pinch and gather. Flip. Pinch and gather. We're going to add in our red polka dot here. Got that going. And last but not least, we have our really cute little stars and stripes USA ribbon. So this is just a little cut just to add another accent to it. And we're going to take our wire and wire this off nice and tight. Always remember to pull your wire tight to keep that bow together really well. And then we've got our glue. You can see our glue has set up. It's sticking to the counter. And we're just going to open up our stem and fluff this up. I always like to pull a little bit up towards the top. And we're going to let the rest kind of trail down. And this has a lot of fun textures in it. So this is a nice piece. I love picks that give you a lot of variety in them. And we're just going to add this bow right to this pick. And then remember, just go in and trim your tails. And then you can decide where you would like to place your accent bow on your piece. Remember, you could wire it down here, you could wire it in the center, or you could add it to the top. Check out this kit and more at shopdeeslouisville.com.